So in this section, I'm going to take it a step forward. What we've already done then is we've designed a setup basically. So for shorts, short setup is this bearish engulfing under the 34. Very, very simple. But I suggest you look at your strategies, list them out on the piece of paper, and then you design every single bit that needs to be being met for your particular strategy. So we get this bearish engulfing bite that's occurred here. So what do we do with it next? We can use some entry rules and actually just build and pop the entry rules in there. But at this stage here, I'm going to leave it on the point of where you just put it manually and just learn some manual trading for a moment. So I know it's a pain to start with, but it's what you might need to do to see how some of these movements occur and how they occur. So if you want to short, for example, you can press the F4 and he'll give me a sell stop. And it may be that you haven't decided exactly how you're going to exit trades. There's the setup. How do you may be, and I do it with, I showed it on a stochastic trade where it was really down to me to decide on exactly when I was entering. Now I could write the program for that as well, I guess, but sometimes it's a case of you see the setup. Now does it all meet everything else? Can I automatically trade it? Yes. Well then that's great. We'll set the automatic triggers in there. If there's any part of your decision coming into play at all, well then we look at it a little bit different. Now let's just take this one. Now I can right click on here and put a pending order in, so I can put a sell stop below here, and then put the sell stop wherever I want it. I might have a specific rule, but for now let's just pop it along the lows there. I can put the stop loss, the highs there, and then decide on a short down here somewhere, for example. And then I can step it step by step, so you can get a feel for what it looks like. There we go. And so there was a simple trade. This setup came, it ran, and that was it basically. You can look at your results as you go along if you need to delete anything. This did a 1.26 return on this one. So there we go. That was risking 1%. Actually, did I have a 1% risk in there? I need to now go back and have a look. It's just check, because sometimes let's just go back, pending order. I'll do it this way, sell stop. Yeah, it's got 1% risk in there, that's fine, just checking. So the entry just below here, the stop, so you just press the button, and the take profit down here. That's how I had it, so I'll just place that, and then we could do that. Or you can go semi-automatically and just go zzz, and now it's got another bearish engulfing. So it's got another setup occurring there. You can step it side by side. It didn't trigger that particular one. And you can save a little bit of time by not setting everything up manually. But I will show you in future videos how to do it on an auto basis. Okay, I'll leave it there for you. And this is as far as I'm going to go in this first section of videos. See how you get on, and we'll take it from there.